fans, welcome to another Dram Dabbler Lockdown Cocktails. It's Friday night, the weather's starting to improve, it's starting to get a bit warmer, so it's time for something a little bit longer. Tonight I'm going to be making a cocktail called apple pie on the rocks. So you can pretty much imagine the kind of flavours that are going to come into that. So we're going to start off with a bar spoon of vanilla essence. You can use vanilla syrup if you have it. I haven't got any at the moment. I normally do it, but I'm out of it. So bar spoon of vanilla essence works. If you're using syrup, probably use about 25ml. Then homemade cinnamon syrup, 25ml cinnamon syrup. Put in there. It's a 1-to-1 syrup that then had some cinnamon infused into it. Dead simple. A couple of dashes of Angostura to give it a little bit extra spiciness. In there. Now this cocktail would typically be made with bourbon. I don't really do bourbon, so I've got Bowmore No. 1, which is bourbon matured. Just has a tiny wee touch of smoke. It doesn't come through that strongly, but just a little bit of smoke comes through. You can use really any bourbon matured whiskey, or bourbon for that matter, if you so desire. Give this one a little bit of a kick, adding some Glenlivet Nadura, the Oloroso finish, Oloroso maturation. This is just over 60%, so this is going to give it a bit of a kick. So 25ml of cask strength whiskey going into that. And then we're ready for our juice. So nice and simple, 100ml of apple juice. Nothing fancy, this isn't fresh squeezed or freshly whatever, I don't know. Apple juice, just apple juice out of a carton from Aldi. And then we're ready to give it a shake. So, ice in the shaker, first of all. Quick light. So, rocks glass, not rocks glass, long glass, a couple of nice big cubes of ice already in there. I spent a little while in the freezer as usual. For this lot, let's top those nice big cubes of ice. I'm just going to lift those cubes of ice up. Good night, man, tonight. It's going to taste good. Garnish with an apple wedge. Nice simple garnish. And that's it. Dead simple one this week. Apple pie on the rocks. You get that kick coming through from the Oloroso quite strongly. The cinnamon in there, that little bit of spiciness from bitters. But really nice, long, cold, refreshing drink. Perfect for the warmer weather. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay home, enjoy the sun. Cheers.